John, don't play with it. Don't touch it.
Okay, I gotta find the lever. Okay.
What are they doing?
Listen.
Look at Sketchy.
Shh.
I'm just talking to Granny.
Okay, jeez.
They went in there.
Seems so cool. Why aren't the lights turning on? They burnt out or something?
Probably.
There's little Christmas lights in there. I'm assuming they're burnt
I
out.
probably needs batteries.
I can check.
Woo!
Can we put the lights in?
There is lights in there.
Can we put the lights in it?
Yeah, there's little Christmas lights in there if you couldn't tell before.
Can we put them
But they're
in?
not turning on.
Well, I don't see a battery compartment.
Yeah, it's probably too old to
It
have
looks
batteries.
like you would have
To replace them?